Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about chemical engineering GATE 2019 chemical reaction engineering questions with solution. GATE 2019 question paper and the answer key link is available in my description box. You can download it. Question number 45. The elementary irreversible liquid phase parallel reactions. We have two reactions, one is 2A gives D and 2A gives U. Both reactions are parallel. Takes place in an isothermal or constant temperature non-ideal reactor. So the C curve measured in a tracer experiment is shown in the figure. So in this figure, so y-axis C of T. C of T is nothing but concentration of the tracer in gram per metric cube at the reactor exit. At time T minute, this is the x-axis. So time T in minute. So this is parallel reaction, 2A gives D, 2A gives U. So here 2A gives D having a rate constant K1, 2A gives U having a rate constant K2. So the rate constant or K1 is equal to 0.2 liter per mole minute and K2 is equal to 0.3 liter per mole minute. Pure A is fed to the reactor at the concentration of 2 mole per liter. So CA0 is equal to 2 mole per liter. Using the segregated model, so the percentage conversion in the reactor is. So objective of this problem is to determine the percentage conversion in the reactor. After calculating the percentage conversion value, we have to round off to the nearest integer. Okay. So by using the segregated model to determine the percentage conversion in the reactor. So after calculating the percentage conversion value, we have to round off the result to the nearest integer. Okay. So data. So we have two expression. One is 2A gives D, another one 2A gives U. So both are parallel reaction. So the first reaction rate constant K1, second reaction rate constant K2. So this is constant temperature non-ideal reactor. So here C of T is a y-axis concentration of tracer gram per metric cube at exit reactor. Time T is equal to minute. Okay. So this is x-axis. K1 is equal to 0.2 liter per mole minute. K2 is equal to 0.3 liter per mole minute. So the initial concentration CA0 is equal to 2 mole per liter. So use segregate model. So objective of this problem is to determine the percentage conversion. So solution part. So refer the figure or diagram. So here y-axis is a C of T gram per metric cube. X-axis is a time T, that is minute. Okay. So refer this figure. So what is the segregated model equation? So segregated model x of A is equal to integral 0 to infinity to x of t into E of t into dt. So in this expression what is x of t and E of t? So first calculate the x of t and E of t value. After the substituting this expression, finally we get xa value. Okay. So here xa is equal to integral 0 to infinity to E of t into x of t into dt. This is equation number 1. So what is x of t? So the x of t is equal to k into Ca0 into t by 1 plus k Ca0 into t. So we want k and Ca0. Ca0 is a given data. We should take. So Ca0 value. So we want k value. But we have two expression. So first equation 2A gives D, second equation 2A gives U. So they both are parallel reaction. Minus RA is equal to K1 Ca square plus K2 Ca square. So the K1 value is 0.2 Ca square plus K2 value is 0.3 Ca square. So finally minus RA is equal to 0.5 Ca square. K1 is equal to 0.2, K2 is equal to 0.3. finally 0.5. So k is equal to k1 plus k2. So here k is equal to 0.5. So substitute here k CA0 into t, numerator part k value is 0.5, CA0 value given data, refer the problem 2 into t whole divided by 1 plus k CA0 into t. So finally we get x of t is equal to t by 1 plus t. This is second expression. So what is e of t? E of t is equal to c of t divided by integration of 0 to infinity to c of t into dt. This is third expression. What is c of t and integration of 0 to infinity to c of t into dt? So one by one we will discuss. The first one, integration of 0 to infinity to c of t into dt. So this is area under the curve. Refer this diagram. So area under the curve mean here x-axis is the time, y-axis is the concentration c of t. So here in x-axis b value 6. Okay. So here h value 5. So area under the curve half bh na. So here half into b into h, half into 6 into 5. So here 2 6 cancel. This is 3 2s are 6. Finally we get 15. So here integral 0 to infinity to c of t into dt is equal to 15. This is the fourth expression. So next we want c of t. So once you know the c of t value, substitute in third expression, finally we get e of t value. So now we have integration of 0 to infinity to c of t into dt. So next we are going to focus the c of t. So c of t calculation, refer this figure here. We have the 2 point. One point is a 0 to 1. This one point. Another point is a 1 to 6. So we have the 2 point, na? The first point. So we should take 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 mean this point. So here what is the point? 0, 0. Here what is the point? This point is a 1 na. So the 1 to 1, 5. Okay. So here c of t first one is a 0 to 1. So this is the range 0 to 1. So in this range, so what is this value here? 0 to 1. This is one condition, 0 to 1. This range. So here 0, 0 na, x1, y1. Here x2, y2, 1, 5. So here this is the equation. Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So here what is the x1, y1? This is x1 is equal to 0. Y1 also 0. What is the x2 here? x2 is equal to 1. Y2 also 5. So substitute this value. What is the y and the x? X-axis time t, y-axis is the c of t. Substitute here c of t minus 0, that is equal to 5 minus 0 by 1 minus 0 into t minus 0. So finally c of t is equal to what is that? 5t. So this is the first part. So the range is a 0 to 1. This is a fifth expression. So the next condition is a second condition, 1 to 6 na. This condition 1 to 6. So this range, what is a x1 and y1, x2 and y2. So 1 to 6. 1 to 6 means this point is a 6, 0. This point is a 1, 5. So here this is 1, 5. 1, 5. This point is a 1, 5. So this is comma, okay, 1, 5. This is 6, 0. This is 6, 0. So here 6 is the x2, 0 is the y2. Okay. So here x1 is a 1, y1 is a 5. Okay. So using this equation, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So already I said y is equal to c of t, x is equal to t. Take directly. So here c of t minus what is y1 here? Y1 is a 5. So here equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 0 minus pi by 6 minus 1 into t minus 1. So from this, what is the c of t? C of t minus pi is equal to numerator part 0 minus pi, that is equal to minus pi. Denominator term 6 minus 1 5. Minus 5 divided by 5 into t minus 1. So C of t is equal to, so here 5 5s are cancelled na. This is minus 1. Minus 1 multiply with this one, minus t plus 1. This minus 5 come to this side plus 5. So finally C of t is equal to 6 minus t. This is equation number 6. So now substitute all this expression into first expression. So substitute equation 2, 4, 5, 6 in equation 1. Okay. So here x is equal to integral 0 to 1. First limit na t by 1 plus t 5t by 15 into dt plus integration of 1 to 6 t by 1 plus t into 6 minus t by 15 into t. Okay. So refer all this expression. So all this expression substitute in a main expression. Okay. So we have the two point range, one is 0 to 1, another one is a 1 to 6, this point. Okay. So here integrate individually. So the first part 5t into t na, this is 5t square divided by 15 into 1 plus t into dt. So the limit is a 0 to 1 plus second term 1 to 6, 6 minus t into t by 15 into 1 plus t into dt. So here take individually first term. So take this equation, this equation. So in this expression 5t square divided by 15 into 1 plus t into dt. So this is substitution method. Substitution method mean take u is equal to 1 plus t. So t is equal to 0. What is the u value here? 1 plus 0, 1. T is equal to 1 mean what is the u value here? 2. So take this part alone. So limit is a 1 to 2. 0 to 1 change into 1 to 2. Why? Because t is changed to u. So numerator part 5 into, what is the t here? Substitution method. U is equal to 1 plus t mean t is equal to u minus 1. U minus 1 whole square divided by 15u. Why? Because 15 into 1 plus t na. 1 plus t is equal to u, 15u. dt is equal to du. So here integration of 1 to 2, 5 by 15 is a constant, take outside. So here apply a minus b whole square formula. So u squared minus 2u plus 1 whole divided by 1u is there na into du. So this equation divided with u. The first part u, second one minus 2 plus 1 by u into du. So the constant is a 5 by 15. So here u integration u squared by 2, this part. Second minus 2 into du, that is minus 2u. 1 by u into du plus ln u. Limit is a 1 to 2. So here 5 by 15 is a constant, take outside. So upper limit is a 2, lower limit is a 1. Upper limit is a 2 mean 4 by 2 minus 4. Minus 4 how it is come? Minus 2 into 2 plus ln 2 minus lower limit 1 squared by 2, 1 by 2. Here already minus is there na. Minus lower limit mean plus 2 into 1. Already here plus is there, minus ln 1. So why here sign has to be changed? So why? Because upper limit minus lower limit na. This value is a minus, second part is a plus, third part is a minus. So here 5 by 15. So simplify this value. 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. So minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. Ln a minus ln b, ln a by b, 2 by 1 mean that is ln 2. So finally 5 by 15 into here 3 by 2 minus 2, that is minus 0.5, ln 2 value plus 0.693. So this value multiply with 5 by 15, finally we get 0.06438. This is the 8th expression. So one part only taken na. So the rest of the two term. So the main term 6 minus t into t, numerator part, divided by 15 into 1 plus t. So the numerator part divided into two part. So why? Because this 6 minus t multiply with the t na. 60 minus t squared. 60 by 15 into 1 plus t, one part. Another one minus t squared by 15 into 1 plus t, last part. So second part here plus this part. Okay, so limit this one. So 60 divided by 15 into 1 plus t. Okay, 60 divided by 15 into 1 plus t into dt. Okay, this part. Limit is a 1 to 6. Okay, so take this part, integrate separately. So here the second one, 1 to 6, 60 divided by 15 into 1 plus t into dt. Again substitution method, u is equal to 1 plus t. So here u is equal to 1 plus t mean the limit also change. Limit first t is equal to 1. T is equal to 1 mean what is a u here? 1 plus 1, 2. T is equal to 6 mean what is a u value here? U is equal to 7. Okay, 6 plus 1, 7. So the limit has to be changed, 2 to 7. So numerator part 6 into t. T mean here u is equal to 1 plus t mean t value, this one value comes to this side minus 1. So 6 into u minus 1 divided by 15 into 1 plus t, 15 u into du. So here a constant it is 6 by 15, take outside. The limit is a 2 to 7. So the numerator u minus 1, denominator u into du. So here 6 by 15, integration of 2 to 7. So here divide this u minus 1 divided by u na, u by u 1 minus 1 by u into du. So this value integrate, constant is a 6 by 15, 1 into du, u, integration 1 by u du, ln u minus ln u here. Limit is a 2 to 7. Upper limit minus lower limit here, 6 by 15. Upper limit is a 7. 7 lower limit is a 2. 7 minus 2 minus ln 7. Okay. So here upper limit minus lower limit na. So here minus ln 7. Here minus lower limit mean already minus is there, plus ln 2. So here 6 by 15. 7 minus 2, 5. Log a minus log b. Ln a, ln 2 minus ln 7. Ln 2 by 7. So here ln 2 by 7 value plus 5 into 6 by 15. Finally we get 1.4988. This is one part. So what is the last part here? This part. Minus 6 into, okay. So minus integration of 1 to 6 t squared by 15 into 1 plus t into dt. So take the last part. So last part here 1 to 6 t squared by 15 into 1 plus t into dt. So this is also substitution method, u is equal to 1 plus t. So again the limit is a 1 to 6. T is equal to 1 mean what is the u value here? U is equal to 2. T is equal to 6 mean what is the u here? 7. So here integration of 2 to 7. Here t squared na, what is the t value here? U is equal to 1 plus t. What is the t here? This 1 comes to this side minus 1. U minus 1. U minus 1 whole square divided by 15u into du. 1 by 15 integration of 2 to 7. U minus 1 whole square mean a minus b whole square. A squared u squared minus 2u plus 1 divided by u into du. So this part. So this equation divided with u. First part what is this? U squared by u, that is u. Second part minus 2u by u minus 2. Third part 1 by u into du. So here constant is a 1 by 15. So here integrate u value u squared by 2 minus 2u. Last value ln u. Limit is a 2 to 7. Upper limit is a 7, lower limit is a 2. So upper limit minus lower limit here. Constant is a 1 by 15 na. So upper limit u square by 2 na, 49 by 2 minus here 2 into 7, 14 plus ln 7. Lower limit minus lower limit na, minus 2 square by 2 mean 4 by 2 here. Then minus of minus 2 into 2, minus into minus plus na, plus 4. So here minus ln u. So minus ln u minus ln 2. So why here sign changed mean upper limit minus lower limit. Minus lower limit na, minus lower limit mean minus u squared by 2 plus 2u minus ln u. Okay, so finally 1 by 15 into here 49 by 2 na, here 4 by 2, 45 by 2, minus 14 plus 4 minus 10. Log a minus log b, ln 7 minus ln 2, ln 7 by 2. So here 45 to 45 divided by 2 minus 10 plus ln 7 by 2 into 1 by 15. Finally we get 0.9168. So now equation 8, 9, 10 in 7th expression. So what is the XC? So 8th expression mean, refer this 8 this part, first part, then 9th one, second part, 10th one, third part. 7th expression mean this main equation. Main equation na, this is the 7th expression, main expression. We have 3 part na, substitute each part value here. So finally we get XA is equal to 0.64638. This is 0.65, 65%. So the conversion here 65%. Answer range is given 63 to 67. Our answer within this range. Okay. So for further related videos, you can like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.